Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 luxury EV SUV in shine white, parked under city lights. The LED headlights glow as the camera moves in, highlighting the aerodynamic curves and the bold front grille. The BYD emblem shines, and the chrome accents reflect the cityscape. The voiceover begins. This is the all-new 2025 BYD Atto 3 luxury EV SUV, a statement of innovation, elegance, and pure electric performance. A blend of advanced technology and refined design, this SUV is built for those who seek both luxury and sustainability in every drive. The 2025 model takes everything great about its predecessor and elevates it to a new level of sophistication. The camera shifts to a slow-motion shot of the flush door handles extending as the driver approaches. With a simple touch, the doors unlock, revealing a beautifully crafted interior. The cabin is a seamless fusion of high-end materials and state-of-the-art technology. Premium vegan leather seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof create an inviting atmosphere. The ergonomic dashboard is designed for both comfort and convenience, featuring a massive 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen that puts everything at your fingertips. As the driver takes a seat, the push-to-start button glows, and the vehicle comes to life in complete silence. The digital cockpit displays essential information with crisp clarity, and the augmented reality head-up display ensures you never take your eyes off the road. Every element inside the BYD Atto 3 is designed to provide a luxurious and intuitive driving experience. On the road, the BYD Atto 3 shines with its powerful electric motor. Delivering an impressive 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of instant torque, this SUV accelerates effortlessly, reaching 0 to 100 km/h in just 7.3 seconds. Whether navigating city streets or open highways, the smooth and responsive handling makes every journey enjoyable. The state-of-the-art Blade battery technology ensures a remarkable driving range of up to 500 km on a single charge, eliminating range anxiety and making long-distance travel more convenient than ever. The camera captures the SUV gliding through winding roads, its intelligent adaptive suspension absorbing every bump with precision. Regenerative braking enhances efficiency, converting energy back into the battery to maximize range. The next-generation smart all-wheel drive system adapts to road conditions, ensuring superior grip and control, whether driving through rain, snow, or rough terrain. As night falls, the dynamic LED lighting system adjusts automatically, providing optimal visibility. The seamless integration of smart technology extends to the voice-controlled assistant, allowing you to adjust climate settings, navigation, and entertainment with simple voice commands. The immersive Dirac HD audio system fills the cabin with crystal-clear sound, turning every drive into a first-class experience. Safety is paramount in the 2025 BYD Atto 3, equipped with an advanced suite of driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work together to ensure a secure drive. The 360-degree camera system provides a clear view of surroundings, making parking effortless in tight spaces. Charging is effortless, with ultra-fast DC charging capabilities that can boost the battery from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Whether using a home wall charger or public charging stations, staying powered up is convenient and efficient. The BYD Atto 3 is not just an electric SUV, it's a step into the future of sustainable mobility. The video concludes with a breathtaking aerial shot of the BYD Atto 3 driving along a scenic coastal road, its shine white finish reflecting the sunset. The voiceover closes with a final statement. The 2025 BYD Atto 3 luxury EV SUV redefines electric driving with its perfect blend of power, elegance, and intelligent innovation. Are you ready to experience the future? The screen fades to black, with the BYD logo and tagline appearing. The revolution is here. We'll see you next video.